You are welcome to another edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we give you updates from the Nigerian capital markets. This edition captures the market performance for Wednesday, February 5th, 2020. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the all-share index closed at 28,093.76 basis points with a market capitalization of 14.470 trillion naira, meaning it depreciated by minus 1.19%. The equities market closed on the red zone as investors lost 173.47 billion naira. UBN, Law Union and Chi PLC were top gainers, while Cornell, Nascon and Mobile were among the top losers. Zenith Bank, FBN Holdings and First City Monument Bank were top players in terms of trade volumes. For the FMDQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 30.60 trillion naira, the NAFEX rate closed at 364 naira 3 kobo to a dollar, while the I&E FX rate opened at 364 naira 19 kobo and closed at 364 naira 53 kobo to a dollar. Looking at the NASD OTC market, the NSI closed at 697.86 basis points with a market capitalization of 501.73 billion naira. Volume of shares traded was 3.451 and the value traded 957.306 in 11 deals executed. You can also check the Nigerian economic indices on the dashboard displayed on the screen. For the highlights from yesterday, the Bank of Ghana emerged the African Central Bank of the Year for 2019 by Central Banking Awards, following impressive achievements in reforming the Ghanaian banking sector. Among the achievements highlighted for the award include reforms on a poorly managed banking sector, 5-year strategy on improving growing digital payments and financial inclusion, policy on environmental sustainability and social responsibility, 2020 plans for a fintech regulatory sandbox, management of the fiscal currency, a tighter monetary policy. For the key market and economic events to watch today, the 2020 edition of the Center for Values and Leadership will discuss intra-African trade, growth and economic development with Professor Benedict Orama, President of the Afrexim Bank, as keynote speaker and Professor Pat Utomi as the chief host. And that will be all for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. You can visit our website www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. You can also follow our social media platforms showing on the screen for further updates on our market reports. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do have a great day.